Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic that is related to Form 1099, and this video is going to be really helpful for all of you. So if you are who is preparing for the interview related to finance, taxation, so this is the channel you should subscribe, and we have more than 1k subscriber and 1 lakh on LinkedIn. So it will really help you to create a professional network and understand the professional world. So before any further ado, I will get into today's topic, that is 1099 form. And one form 1099 is an IRS information return used to report various type of non-employment income to the IRS and taxpayers, business, financial institution, and other entities. Issue 1099 to individual and non-corporate entity for payment made during the tax year. So we have different kind of form, that is we have one form that is 1040, that is for the individual tax return form. Then we have 1065, that is for different kind of corporations that return is used. So likewise we have 1099, where we report all our non-employment income to the IRS. And there are many types in 1099, so we will give it a read about that as well. So there are over 20 types of form 1099, and the most commonly used one include is form 1099 miscellaneous. MISC is in miscellaneous income, used to report payment not covered under 1099 NES. So whatever that is not covered in 1099 NEC, we use 1099 miscellaneous income to report all those payments. Now common payment reported is rent, prize and awards, medical and health care, and attorney payment, crop insurance proceeds, fishing boat proceeds. Now we have second type, form 1099 NEC, that is non-employee compensation, used to report payments of $600 or more to independent contractors, freelancers, and self-employed individual. If we are paying any more than $600 to these uh, person, that is an independent contractor, freelancers, or self-employed individuals, we have to report it under 1099 non-employee compensation. And the key criteria is paid to non-employee, payment made in the course of a trade or business, must be at least $600 in a calendar year, include fees, commissions, award, and other compensation. So these are the criteria. If you fulfill these criteria, then you can report your payments in 1099 non-employee compensation. Now we have third type, that is form 1099 INT, interest income. Report interest payment of $10 or more from bank, credit union, brokerage firms. Also reports early withdrawal and penalties and tax exempt interest. So you have to if you want to show the report in the report payment of interest, then you should either receive from like bank, You should pay to the bank or credit union or brokerage firm. So these are the conditions. Now fourth type is form 1099 DIV, dividends and distribution. Report dividends and capital gain distribution of $10 or more. So if you want to report dividend and capital gain distribution of $10 or more, include ordinary dividends, qualified dividends, capital gain distribution, non-taxable distribution, then you should report it in form 1099 dividend and distribution. Now we have fifth form type, that is 1099B, proceed from broker and barter exchange transaction, reports sale of stocks, bonds, mutual fund and other securities, includes cost basis and capital gain losses required for transaction in brokerage account. Now we have sixth type of 1099 form, that is 1099R, retirement distributions. Reports distribution of $10 or more from pension, annuities, IRAs, 401k plans and other retirement accounts. Now we have another type of 1099, that is 1099G, government payment. Here we report all the unemployment compensation, state local taxes, refunds, agricultural payment and other government payment. Now we have other type of 1099K, payment card and third party network transaction. So if we have paid any payment to these, then we have to report transaction through credit card, debit card, third party network. These are the mode: PayPal, Venom, Stripe. Threshold of for 2023-2024 is this $20,000 and 200 transaction. 2024 lower to $5,000 for some cases. Then we have another type 1099C, cancellation of debt. Reports forgiven or cancelled debt of $600 or more. Now we have another type 1099SA, distribution from health saving account. Report HSA, ACAR, MSA or Medicare Advantage MSA distributions. Who must file 1099? Any business, individual or entity making payment to non-employee. If you are making payment to non-employees, vendor or services providers, totaling is more than $600 per year, then you have to file the form 1099. Exceptions are there, and one of them is payment to corporation generally do not require 1099 except for attorney fee 1099 miscellaneous, that attorney fee we cover in miscellaneous, and medical payment also we cover in 1099 miscellaneous. So this is all about our 1099 form, and this is one of the most important integral part of our federal returns of which we file to the IRS. So if you are interested in these kind of topic, this is the channel you should subscribe, and I would really appreciate the constructive feedback which will come from you all guys, that will make this video more good and useful for other candidates who are preparing for the interviews. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know your comments and feedback.